Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm just gonna be showing you how I approach spicing up a beat, and you're definitely gonna get one or two from this video. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, guys. So today, basically, trust me, I don't know what I wanna do. So right now, DAW, I'm just gonna play the beat. It's a nice beat. For me, I feel like it's complete already, but there are sometimes you just feel like something's actually missing. Something needs to be in this beat to get it to where it's supposed to be.
Eager fire dancing.
Yep, sounds really nice. Nice intro. I love the whole intro, but I feel like we could have take it to that level where you hear Ashake Young kind of vibe. You hear these nice violins coming, and I think I'm hearing that in my head. I think we still need like a sub bass that's gonna be underneath it. So that's just what I heard listening to this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select this region right here. This first, I think this is gonna be the verse. So yeah, I'm just gonna add the sub bass. So for the sub bass, there are nice bass we could use, but I'm just gonna go over and use the clip sign bass from Omnisphere. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna play the chords again, and for the chords, I'm just gonna use Diva. I do have the chords. This is the chord. Let's just change the sound. This is like one of my best presets, HS Sparkle. Let's turn this off. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so you can put that put that here. Let's build our bass. Then I'm gonna go to the sub bass and let's just try to add. Yeah, so this is just like everything. We have the sub bass, we have the chords, and for the sub bass right now, I think I'll just take some of the lows away. So I have like this. All right, so I've added the bass. I think these are like some of the missing pieces I feel should be dealt with, right? So we have the bass with the other chord. So take this out. Let's take this chord. I just want to take out some of the lows. So I don't need the low of, since I'm already playing the bass there, I don't need the low of this chord. You get me? Yeah. So we can have this for, yeah, then I think I need the violin. I don't know, I just keep hearing violin in my head. So I'm just gonna play some notes. Let's go with the stage piano. I'm just gonna play some melody notes and try to convert it to a violin. Yeah, so I think I like this. Nice. I like this melody. So okay, let's export that. I'm just gonna go to File, Export as MIDI. I'm just gonna drag in that MIDI, but first off, let's go to the AI violins. I'll drag this here. I'm gonna drag in the MIDI. Yep, so let's go with the tempo 116, and hopefully this. Yeah, so yeah, this sounds nice. This sounds nice. Let's take it from the top again. Let us hear it once more. I think this sounds nice. That's taught it all. Nice. Okay. Nah, this is nice. This is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. So let's bring in the shakers. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna bring it to where the whole sound, came in. Nice. I'm taking that boring intro to something classy, just using violins, right? So I'm happy at least this tutorial is, going well. Not to waste time, I'm still gonna go in, play different violin patterns, go carry to A Studios and convert it just to, create variations, right? Nice. So I think you know me, I'm just gonna add in bring in what is it called, master plan. I don't want these videos getting too long. I think it's getting too long already, so let's go to put in master plan, go to mastering preset. Let's go with the glue preset. So let's go back to this part where we have lots of sampling. For me, I think for now it sounds really nice. So let's see from the top. Okay, I think I prefer the higher octave. Yeah, so I think this is nice, and basically, I don't know, I hope you got something. Have any suggestions for me, just let me know in the comment sections, guys. I'll be on the lookout to see you guys comment. And thank you for watching. And if you're yet to get the Afro Synergy pack, you definitely want to get that pack. It's an amazing pack. It's a pack you want to add to your collections of pack. And if you want to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.